What would you do if your house started flooding? Picture this: a leaking pipe, a rapidly rising pool of water, your floors, your furniture, your precious belongings all at risk. It's a nightmare scenario, isn't it? But fear not, because help is at hand. Introducing a team of professionals, technicians, who are not just experts in their field, but also efficient problem solvers. They arrive just in the nick of time, armed with state-of-the-art drying equipment. They spring into action, their every move a testament to their years of experience and dedication. While the crew leader is busy signing a contract with the homeowner, the restoration technicians assess the water damage. They take a step back, survey the scene, and formulate a plan. Their quick thinking and decisive action are what set them apart. Then, the real work begins: demolition. The technicians start removing the damaged materials, always careful to preserve what can be saved. They are thorough, meticulous, leaving no stone unturned in their quest to restore your home to its former glory. Next, they deploy their arsenal of drying equipment. Powerful fans and dehumidifiers are brought into play, each one designed to speed up the drying process and mitigate further damage. The hum of the machines fills the air, a comforting reminder that progress is being made. These technicians don't just fix problems, they prevent them. Their expertise is evident in every step they take, their efficiency unrivaled. They work tirelessly, transforming a disaster into a minor inconvenience. So, do you ever wonder what you would do if your house started flooding? Well, you now have the answer. Call in the professionals. Trust in their expertise. Rely on their efficiency. Because when water strikes, they strike back. Remember, it's not just about fixing a problem, but restoring your peace of mind.